Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Linktree to sell products, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your browser and go into linktr.ee. This is the website of Linktree. And then once you're here, you want to click here on Start My 30-Day Free Trial if you don't have an account yet. So click here. So now once you're here, you would need to provide your email. In my case, I'll just paste it here right there, and then just provide your email and click on continue, or you could just go with Google account or Apple account, whichever you may prefer. In my case, I'll just go with email, and then I'll input my password here, so let's say this one, and create an account. And now from here, you would need to claim your free link in bio. So let's go for sample shoots 0404, just like that. So this would be our link right here for our account in Linktree. So click on continue once you're done. And now from here, you need to input your payment method or payment details right here in order for you to get their free trial for 30 days, or if you want to buy the pro plan right away. But in my case, let's just join the free one. So let's click here on back to plans, click on free, and click here on join for free. And then we will now be here in the template. So we would need to select a template for our LinkedIn link right here. So let's say we are going to go for this one. This is something simple. So click on start with a template, and then which platforms are you on. So let's say I want to advertise this link on YouTube, so I'm going to click on that and click on continue, and then you want to go for your YouTube username right here. So let's say youtube.com/tutorials, just for an example, and then you can add your own links right here. Let's say google.com, for example, right here. So this is also where you can promote your product that you would want to sell, so that would also be a good idea. And click on continue once you're done. And now next is this one. So from here, what we're going to do is select our profile image. In my case, I'll just select this one, and then profile title. So let's say right there. Or you can also use AI to write your bio or rewrite it or whatever you'd want. And then once you're all done with this one, click on continue. And then add suggested links. So we found a few more links across the web based on your account. So yeah, this would be customized based on the social media link that you have given Linktree right here. So you can just choose one of this, or you can just skip it. Continue right here, and Linktree is ready. So now here it is. Here's what it looks like. So from here, if you don't like the way that this is showing, so you can just edit this. So you can click here on continue editing, and you can go for add more links. If you want to add more products, this is the time that you would be able to do that. And here. So first of all, let's say that you would want to add more links into your Linktree. So all you have to do is click here and add the link. And then from here, just enter the URL. For example, just go for google.com, because this is just an example. So basically, you want to place your product link here in order for you to sell here on Linktree. And then from here, you can go for the templates right here. You can go for the apps and so on. You can even customize the design later on. So click on add right here. So let's say you want to customize that certain link. So you can go here for the layout. And then you can even have this featured right here if you want to make it a featured one. So as you can see right here, it becomes bigger. And then you can even go for a thumbnail right here. You can set a thumbnail, like icons right here and so on. For example, that one, as you can see, there is the icon. So basically, yeah, you can just customize it right here if you want to customize the buttons individually. And now let's say that you didn't really like the outcome of the theme right here. Let's say you want to change the theme. Then what you can do is click here on appearance on the left side. And then from here, you just simply scroll all the way to the bottom. And from here, you'd be able to see the templates. So some of it are not free, some of it are free. So basically just choose one that is available for you. In my case, I'll just go for this one maybe. I'm going to click on that. And it should now be updated right there. So as you can see, it is now updated into this color right there. So yeah, that is basically it for the beginner's tutorial here on how you can sell your products here in Linktree. It's basically very simple. Just place your links here in your Linktree. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.